I'm going to show you how you can order from DHgate. Now on DHgate here, first off, you want to scroll down and then you want to find the item you actually want to buy. So for example, here, I'm just going to buy a tablet like this, right? I'm just going to buy it. I'm just going to add it to my cart like this. Now, once you add it to your cart, it'll look like this here, right? And you can see you can check out with a US total of $5.73. If you want to check out, just tap on checkout like this. Now, once you check out, you will need to sign in or make an account, right? So you can see you will need to add a new address here. So for example, let's just email here. Now on my email, I'm just going to type in my email. So for example, here, I'm just going to type in my email like this, right? And once you type in your email, you will also need to enter in a new password as well, because this is essentially you making a new account, right? So once you enter in your email like this, you need to put in your contact name and then your password here. You see it'll appear like this. So just enter in a new password like this. So I'm just going to put in my password like this. Make sure it's a secure password as well to make sure it doesn't have any breaches. So for contact name, just going to put in example name like this. And then on the address line, I'm just going to put in a random US address here. I got from a PDF. On the address line, I'm just going to leave blank. On the city, I'm going to give it like this, right? So on the city, I'm just going to give it New York like this. And then on the state and province, I'm just going to put in something random here. So for example, Florida, even though New York isn't in Florida. So on this area as well, I'm going to put in my postal code like this. I'm going to copy this in. And then on the mobile number phone, I'm just going to put in something random like this, right? Now let's just go ahead and tap on save. Once that's done, you'll see that this is what it will look like here, right? So once here, you can see, I'm just going to tap on never here on my Google. I'm just going to exit out of this. And you can see this is what it will look like, shipped to my address. And then the only way you can pay right now at the moment is that you need to pay with a new card. So a debit card, things like that, right? Now you can also enter in a code here. You can also see this is what the review look like. And then I'm just going to tap on pay with a new card. And then you will to add in a card number, an expiry date, all the things like these, and the CVV as well, obviously. And then once you can that, you just have to on pay now, and then that's it. You will then order whatever you have bought on DHgate.